Where is it going? Because it's not doing. Is it just sucking up the foundation into the brush? I don't know. Hi guys, my name is Ericka Monique, and today I will be doing a product review, just testing out some brushes from Five Below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Notification gang, let me know that you are here and that you are seeing this video down in the comments, and hit the like button. Make sure you turn on your notifications if you haven't already. I will be dropping videos every week. So we're gonna go ahead and hop straight into the video. Basically, all of these brushes were under $5. If you guys shop at Five Below, it's literally in the title. Everything in the store, it's gonna be $5 or below, literally. This is how the brushes came packaged. This is the name of the company. And I got a smudger brush, I got a little blender brush, and I also got a crease brush. So they're like really cute to me. I love how they go from like white to brown. And then I also got this medium oval blending brush. I've never used one of these type of brushes before. It was only $4, and these were like $3, I believe. I'm just gonna try these two brushes out with the eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna try this one as, this is an angled blender, but I'm gonna use it for my contour. And I'm gonna use this one to apply my foundation. So we are gonna hop right into eyes. I'm gonna do like a basic neutrals look today. So go into my crease with just a brown. I'm gonna go into my crease with this color right here. I'm gonna talk about this in my Amazon haul, but this right here is like, it's such a simple idea, but it really works. It's just so that you can clean your brushes, your eyeshadow brushes, like while you're doing the look, and just so that your colors don't bleed. I like this one. It has like a little pink tint to it, almost, kind of. And I'm just gonna whip that in. I like this. Like, the brushes are really soft, they're smooth. It's blending it out really easily. I like a good floppy brush anyways. I know. So yeah, this is cute. This is doing what it's supposed to be doing. So I'm just gonna pop something onto my actual lid, a lighter brown. Of a pop. And I had already had concealer and stuff on my eyelids from when I did my brows. Again, if y'all are interested in how I achieve my brows, I'm using the same technique that I used in my eyebrow tutorial that's already up on my page. I'll link it in the description box. And the next thing that I want to try is this smudger brush. So it says blend and smudge shadow in the corner of your eye and at the lash line. So this is real cute. This is real cute. I could use this whenever you're doing like a smoky eye. I could see this coming in handy. Yeah, I'm gonna do this gold right here, and I'm gonna smudge it into, oh, okay. All right, so I actually think brushes are doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, it's a brush. It worked. I liked it. $3. What more can you ask for? Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that crease brush, and I'm just gonna, I don't know. I just feel like this. A good floppy brush at the end of your eyeshadow look just brings everything together, in my opinion, and just looks a lot better. All right, so that is it for the eyes. I am going to go ahead in with my foundation, and like I said, I'm going to be using this brush right here. So let's pop it open and see what it's looking like. The color is real cute. I've never used these type of brushes before, so what I'm gonna do is just pump the foundation onto the brush and see how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm just gonna use this one today, the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer Pore Eraser. I'm gonna go ahead and pump. I'm just gonna use this brush right now because I don't know how this is gonna transfer. Okay, the brush is real smooth, but I don't know, this is a bit different for me. Definitely don't have no more product on the brush. Maybe I should have put it on my skin and blend it out. I'm putting like some more. Maybe I should go like this, like I do a brush, and then blend it. Since I don't know. I feel like it's just like moving the foundation around, not actually blending it out. I don't know. I don't necessarily like this type of brush. It might not even be that it's from Five Below. It might just be that I don't like this type of brush. Okay, densely packed oval head for cream or liquid foundation application. Use circular motions to evenly apply product over the face. Okay, circular motions. Circular motions. Okay. I mean, I feel like I just don't get as much product coverage with this brush, maybe, because it's like you can still see everything that's going on with my face. So I'm gonna try it one more time. This is a lot of foundation that is not actually like, yeah, I don't like this. I don't. Where is it going? It's not doing. Is it just sucking up the foundation into the brush? I don't know, but I don't like this. You know, it's a no for me. I mean, it's there, but let me show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all, like, okay, my normal foundation brush, right? I'll put some foundation on it and pat into my face, and you're not gonna see everything that you was just seeing. And this is with one run through. Hey. Yeah, that brush maybe just not for me. Maybe if you not really trying to cover up nothing, it'll work good, but baby, wasn't doing it for me. So no for me. Okay, you could try it, whatever. The eyeshadow brushes were bomb though. So, and plus this was a different brand. It was by somebody completely different called Juna Beauty. Not the same one as the first few brushes, but I mean they all were from Five Below. I'm gonna be using Contour Kit by Anastasia. I'm gonna use the darkest color with the brush. I like this. Maybe, okay, so maybe it's just that you gotta use this brand, or it might just be the fact that like that other one wasn't a traditional brush and it just didn't work for me. But I like these. I would definitely be using these. Like, definitely will be using these brushes I can get down with this. Yeah. Alright, so last thing I'm gonna do is put some highlighter on. I just wanna be your baby girl. I just wanna hear your name. I just wanna be your Alright, so now that I know that these brushes work good, I might have to go get a few more, like a fan brush, because this is a mess. Okay, I'm proud of these little $3-4 brushes. All right guys, so that's all I have for y'all today. Let me know if y'all like videos like this. I have plenty of different things that I just try out on a limb in my day-to-day, not even makeup stuff, just cheap stuff from Five Below, cheap stuff from the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Amazon. I got it all. So just let me know if y'all like videos like this, and I'll keep running them back. And make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Notification gang, don't forget to comment down below when you see this video. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.